Yeah man, big up to Daddy Albert, this one's for the family. Near, far and forever dear. Jamaica's where it started, but the love scattered across the world. When first we touched down in Jamaica, met by Grandma Iris at the airport with a smile so wide. Masty Grandpa larger than life, full of stories by the air. Love in the wind couldn't hide the pride. Stories warm and deep, woke up with a heart full of roots we had to keep. Met Auntie May, Daddy, baby, sister so sweet. Cousins Michael, Patsy, Errol, real vibes when we meet. Patsy half John's size, but strong like a tree. Lifted that suitcase while John struggled to his knees. This is the other side of Jamaican journey, where the love run deep and the lessons early. Through the hills, through the storms, through every high and low, family is the compass that help we grow. From Leicester, England to Cedar Valley, Kingston to London cold, from Cayman breeze to Toronto snow, from Florida, West Palm Beach, New York to New Jersey and tri-state area. One big tribe with a story so worthy. This is the other side of our Jamaican journey. Me and Michael cousins, but more like brothers. Through school, through college, standing for each other. When I fell, he there. When I rose, he there too. Never shy with the truth, always help me push through. Aunties with wisdom, Duchess May, Mommy Darcy, Yvonne, all divine with gifts, sweet treats and love so fine. Uncle David and Uncle Stanford, R.I.P. Your words of advice still ring in my ears. Uncle Ira won the best and Uncle Neville, solid like a king. Are the voices echo in the yard at night? Barrel of laughter, pot full of spice. Through hardship we rise, through the struggle we learn. Love is the fire that forever burns. Just the other side of Jamaican journey, where the love run deep and the lessons early. From Cedar Valley, Clarksonville, Abuka, Brownstown to Montego Bay, family love never fade away. Across England, Canada, USA, came on the Bahamas, so many cousins, too much names for say. But every one of you is part of me in this blessed family tree. Michael, Joe, Claire, Jennifer, Patsy, Errol, David, Philip, Paul, Claudette, Roy, Junie, Danville, Elizabeth, Alton, Mary, Annette, Catherine, Bernadette, Linda, Barry, Sandra, Paulette, Doreen, Lee, Sharon, Livingston, Winston, Chevanice, Olive, Eva, Neville, Joyce, Betty, Desmond, Tony, Donald, Bill, Chris, Denise, Monica, Lurline, Aaron, R.I.P., Evan, Janet, Noel, Olive, and Petrina, Glinda, other cousins, Whites, Bellies, Johnson, Smallwind, Powell, oh, we cannot name them all, each one a cherished voice. To Dad, Albert and Mom, Eric, you lit the light. Siblings, John, rest in peace, Steve, which is me, Angela, Victor, hold tight. Joanne, Vincent, Alvin, Delroy, Louise, Carol, Conroy, Timothy, love never cease. We give thanks for the ones who are here and pray for the ones who gone, still near. To the next generation, carry it strong, cause this Jamaican journey's still going long. This is the other side of Jamaican journey. It's love, it's strength, it's sweet, it's earthy, let peace rule. Life too short for malice, always offer the olive branch, be the bigger people. Never let the sun set on anger. One advice from me is make your peace before it's too late. May we honor the road that brought us through, and let the love of family always guide you. God bless you all.